In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to walk through how to find your subscriptions in your Google account and, if you have one, how to cancel a Google Meet subscription. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your browser and go to your Google account homepage. You can get there by typing myaccount.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. If you see a different profile in the top right corner, switch to the account you use for Google Meet before continuing. This avoids confusion later on. Once you're on the Google account page, use the search bar at the top. Type the word subscriptions. This search is a shortcut that takes you directly to the settings you need, instead of clicking around different menus. When the results appear, look for the option that mentions subscriptions under payments. That's the quickest route to the right place. Next, select the Payments and Subscriptions section. This area is where Google groups anything related to your payment methods, purchase history, and active subscriptions tied to your account. It's a central hub, so if you ever need to update a card or review what you've bought or subscribed to, this is where you'll find it. On the Subscriptions page, scan the list for Google Meet. If you see a Google Meet subscription, click it to open the details. From there, choose Manage, and then select the option to cancel. Google will usually show you the renewal date and what happens after you cancel, whether access ends immediately or at the end of the current billing period. Read those details carefully so there are no surprises. Confirm the cancellation, and make sure you get a final confirmation message so you know it went through. If you don't see Google Meet listed, that simply means there isn't an active subscription on this account right now, and you won't be charged for it here. If you expected to see something, double-check that you're signed in to the right Google account. Also note that subscriptions purchased through mobile app stores are managed in those stores, and workplace plans might be handled by an administrator. That's it. You now know how to navigate your Google account, find the Payments and Subscriptions section, and cancel a Google Meet subscription if one appears. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your subscriptions with confidence.